Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with the February mystery. It is already shipped. It is exclusive art as per always, and I will leave up all of our mystery options linked down below. If you were looking for this mystery art in particular, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. If you sign up for mystery in February, then you will be getting next month's mystery, which will be March mystery. But let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, let's go through the ultimate kit. This is exclusive art by Darcy, and I wanted to do a thrifting theme because I just think it's so fun, and I feel like for Darcy art it just really works. Okay, let me move the extras over here. Okay. So here is the ultimate kit. Let me give you a little zoom through, but I have been loving thrifting. My favorite thrifting find I found recently was this. Well, technically it's a cabbage like jar, but I'm calling it a lettuce jar, but I think it is so cute, so fun, very anytime, like non-seasonal, which we love, and I am just obsessed with it. I love the colors. Let me show you the colors. So pretty. It's just, I love blue and green together, but I also love this pop of the gold. And then you have your deco page. So this is the like older format. I think that March starts the new format, but this one was already done. You have your extra boxes here with all of your different thrift finds, really cute patterns and colors, like I said. Your solid, and then your bottom washi, which is super fun and very retro. I love this disco ball. It's my favorite thing in the whole entire kit. And then you have some fashion options here, which are so stinking cute. I love Darcy fashion people. I just think that they always have such fun hair and outfits, and they're just so cutie. And then you also have the doodles here as well. So that is the ultimate kit. Also, as like a little extra, I did include both of the extra label samplers, so you can really go fun, wild, and crazy with all of the colors. So that's also included in the ultimate this month. And then foil bundle wise, there is a matte silver shimmer foil bundle, which I feel like Darcy art definitely does lean matte, but I feel like you could use a lot of fun colors with this, but I wanted to do something that, you know, if you didn't want to use the matte silver, you could definitely save it for another kit, but I think that this would be really pretty with this collection. So that is the ultimate kit. Let's go ahead and quickly flip through the mini. I do have an announcement to make about the mini. It's been a long time coming, but the mini kit is going bye-byes, unfortunately. I'm going to be honest with you, I only have like 13 subscribers for the mini kit for forever now. So the mini kit is going to be no longer after June, and with doing the journaling kit and everything, that's just, things happen, you know, gotta move on from it. So full boxes, same deco page, same glitter header page, mini kit page, bottom washi page, and then the freebie page, which has the fashion and the doodles. Super stinking cute. Okay, that is the mini and the ultimate kit, and then add-on options that'll be in the shop on the first are going to be the label, label 2, label 3, doodle, doodle 2, fashion 1, fashion 2, ombre, pattern, and all 6 scribblers, of course. So that is the ultimate and mini mystery kit. And then let's get into the journaling collection. So we do have, oopsie, I ripped it, but this is mine anyways. We do have the journaling collection. Now this is the first of the subscriptions. Last month I did offer the January mystery, which I believe if you're watching this now, it might still be available. But this is like not a subscription. This was just, I really liked the art. I decided to do this like during this kind of window of availability. So, you know, this was just like a one-time purchase, but this was the subscription. So it comes in this bag here. I collated them all up personally. I'm normally not big on collating, but I love collating with the bags and the little washi strip pieces. Very, very fun. So in here, let me show you what we got. So first things first is I did include a journaling card this month. I am not going to include a journaling card every month, but I did just order these for all orders, and I had them, and I have like, I think 500 or 1,000 of them. So I was like, let's just throw them into the journaling kits as well, so you have something that matches. But normally there won't be a journaling card. So let's go through the pages. So you have this page here, which is like the larger deco page. The little deco bits throughout are like little flowers and dots. And then here you have the more like mini sized deco with flowers and dots. You have the patterns, the ripped papers, the washi strips, and then the more like functional page. And then there is like the big arch sticker with the little photo corners on the side. I love this. Again, I love this disco ball. The fashion page. I did the ransom letters in here, the watercolor stickers, and then in lieu of the 10th page, I did do some matte stickers. So this one says get in loser, we're going thrifting. This one is thanks, it's thrifted, and bless your heart. So that is in lieu of the 10th page. I put that in the description. Like sometimes there'll be a 10th page, sometimes there'll be matte die cut stickers. So that is the February journaling mystery with the exclusive Darcy art. And that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope you like it. I think it's a fun anytime kit, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.